How do Apple search ads actually work? Hello, my name is Thomas. In today's video we're going to talk about what are Apple search ads and how do they actually work, so that you know as a marketeer how you can get your share within the app stores. So, first of all, what are Apple search ads? Like shown here within my beautiful drawing of a smartphone, when searching for a keyword within the App Store, what you will see is that the first result is often marked as an ad. This means that somebody is actually paying for being found on position number 1 for this specific keyword. Now you might think, oh okay, that sounds really easy, I'm just gonna pay and I will be on position number 1. Yes, that would be true if you would be the only one that is trying to rank for this keyword out there. But I don't have to tell you, with more than 5 million apps out there in the world nowadays, probably you're not going to be the only app that is trying to rank for a specific keyword. So the question now is, what can we actually do to become number 1 for a specific keyword out there? When setting up an Apple search ads, it is important to understand that you have different levels. The levels are the campaign itself, ad groups, as well as keywords. Within the campaign itself, what you normally try to target for are the different markets out there, as well as the goal of your Apple search ads campaign. Is it to acquire new users, or is it to acquire to get returning users back using your app? On the ad group level, what you can do is you can structure the different keywords that are filled within the ad group level. So this gives you a better understanding of how you can set up your campaigns and make them more logically to also manage and optimize them over time. Very important, on the ad group level as well as on the keywords level, you can set a maximum cost per tap. This means how much are you willing to spend when somebody is clicking on your ad and eventually ending up landing on your app store page. If you have competitors that are willing to spend more money on specific keywords to get traffic from specific keywords than you are, chances are that the ads of your competitors will be shown more frequently than your ads. In other words, how we often refer to this as app marketing experts is the term of share of voice. If you think of a big cake, and this cake exists out of 100 pieces, the one that is buying the most pieces has the highest percentage of being shown on the ads. It is very important to understand that this is really happening on a keyword basis. This is also the challenge for you as app marketer out there, to find the right keywords to optimize for and also to find the right biddings per specific keyword. When talking about the share of voice, it is also very interesting to know who actually is trying to rank for a specific keyword. And this is one of the awesome features of App Radar. Within App Radar, what you can do is you can click on a keyword and actually find out which are the apps that are trying to rank for a specific keyword. You can analyze the keywords and you can also try to reverse engineer the search ads campaigns of your competitors and try to find out which keywords they are optimizing their campaigns for. So if you're interested in finding out more about the search ad strategy of your competitors, go over to appradar.com and create an account. But watch out! Taking all your money and throwing it at relevant keywords in hope for ranking on position number 1 for all of those keywords is also not the very best strategy, because there are a lot of potential failures that can happen. We picked out the 3 most common ones. The first common failure when it comes to the topic Apple search ads is cannibalization. What does that mean? If you are already ranking on position number 1 for a specific keyword, this could be, for example, your brand keyword, and you're also paying money to rank for this keyword, chances are that people will click on your ad and then come to your App Store page and you will pay for it. Otherwise, if you would have been ranking on position number 1 organically and there would have been no ad, people would just have clicked at your search result and you didn't have to pay for it. But nowadays, mentioned, with more than 5 million apps, chances are also quite high that your competitors are also trying to rank for your keywords. So this is very important that you really have a look at your keywords. On the one hand, that you don't cannibalize them yourself, and on the other hand, that you also protect them for your competitors. The second big fail that we have seen is burning money. This happens if you don't set up any limits of how much you are willing to pay as a maximum amount for a tap or per an install. When you are giving the App Store the possibility to go up with the bids, and one of your competitors is also going up with the bids, this means that you will be paying way more for the traffic, and this will end up very, very soon in burning a lot of money. And last but not least, the third factor, something that we have also been talking about in our previous videos, is if you're putting search ads on keywords that are not relevant for your app, this could also end up in burning a lot of money, because people out there are having specific keywords, they're having specific use cases in their mind. When they're searching for an app, when they're searching for this keyword, they expect to find something that is really matching, that is really relevant to their search request. And if your app has nothing to do with the search request, it could be that you pay for this position, but it will not result into an install. I hope you liked this video. If there are any open questions, just leave a comment below. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so you will get the notification as soon as our next video is live. See you next time and keep optimizing. As you can see here on the beautiful drawing of the Apple App Store,